friends, today I am again here with some valuable information and knowledge. As we know, the Scandinavian pattern of design is very famous in all aesthetics and interiors. Wherever this is available, we can get a very ambience and soothing environment. This is because of their products and their design. The Nordic design is also similar to the Scandinavian design of lights, a little bit difference, as Nordic design having more emphasis on using natural products like textile, woods, leather, etc. My objective is here to give you simple things, how to create an ambience environment. As you are seeing, there is a pendant, means this is called focused light or pendant lights. This is a design of Scandinavian lights. Scandinavian lights having pendant light and focus lights, and also a lights that illuminate the room but does not come directly to our eyes. The luminous of lights is very soothing and having an ambience impact on our mind, as light doesn't come to our eyes directly, and there is no glaring, and there is no this is also on the pattern of Scandinavian design of lights. We get a sufficient illumination in the room due to reflection of the light, and the light's beam doesn't disturb to our eyes, as they doesn't come directly to our eyes. So it gives a very soothing and ambience environment inside of the room. Here I will let you know how to make this Scandinavian lights without incurring major expenses in your room. So this is a LED inside of the bottle, and I removed the upper side of the cap of this LED. So the beam, or you can say the luminous, doesn't come to our eyes. Only the lights, the beam is going upside of the wall, and due to the reflection of this light, we get a sufficient illumination inside of the room. So it's a very simple. You just take any LED bulb and remove the upper part of the LED, means the plastic which is used generally to cover the LED of this bulb. Let me show how to make a light that doesn't come to your eyes. I put a LED bulb inside of this bottle, and I removed the cap. If we put this cap again, the illumination is very bright, and it may disturb to our eyes, and after removing it, doesn't get. After removing this cap, the light is going upward, and we get a sufficient illumination in the room due to the reflection of the light. This is the pattern of Scandinavian design of lights. Now I'm showing you the inside of the LED. Here you can say the small LED is there in the plate of this LED bulb, and I remove this cap, and if I put this cap again in the above part of the LED, so we get again some type of illumination. But if I remove it, we get no illumination directly to our eyes. So you can make it and hang 2-3 this type of LED lights in your room to get more light, more illumination